Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be taking a look at our new Motorsports brackets that were designed in conjunction with our Stage Series light bars. Our Stage Series light bars were designed specifically from the start for competition racing and more specifically, night stage rally races. Their high performance comes from advanced TIR optics for a highly functional beam pattern. With a low profile, lightweight, and focused output, the Stage Series light bar has proven itself on the track with wins on night stages for dozens of rally teams. In order to maximize performance, we wanted to provide a mounting solution specifically designed for rally racing as well. The result is our Motorsports mounting kit, which allows you to mount up to 4 Stage Series light bars on the hood of your car. With the modular design, you can adjust the setup and angling for your specific race conditions and preference. Each of the light bars are adjustable in output angle and position, and you can also adjust the brackets themselves to align with the contours of your hood. The Stage Series lineup also allows you to swap out optics as well as amber or white colors for any need. You can see here that we have the top bar aimed straight ahead and the lower bar angled more to the side. We've also converted the outer side of the lower bar with a wide optic. This is a common setup for a stage with a lot of R1s and L1s and any off-camber turns to fill in light where you need it. For the straights, we recommend keeping most of the bars in the driving optic, which is a focused but not pencil beam pattern to punch far ahead without blowing out your vision with too much foreground light. The brackets themselves were intentionally designed to reduce wind drag and adhere to regulations and are made with powder-coated 12-gauge steel. The whole kit uses stainless steel hardware for long-lasting durability, including custom-made stainless rubber bumpers, which also absorb vibration and prevent damage to the hood. To mount the setup to your vehicle, we use Dzus sliding latch fasteners. These provide reliable, strong attachment while still offering quick installation for night stages. You'll just need to install them in the hood with a few rivets, and then you'll be able to throw your light bars on within seconds during service. We are excited to offer this purpose-built kit for all the rally drivers out there. Whether you're a pro or just getting started, this setup will provide the performance you need to go faster and see further with Diode Dynamics. For more information on this kit, as well as our entire line of Stage Series lighting, visit diodedynamics.com. Thanks for watching.